is a hot day. I bet I'll make lots of money. Oh, what do you know? A customer. Hi, I would like, one orange smoothie, please. A delicious one. One delicious smoothie coming right up. Orange flavored, right? Yes. Donuttina. Okay. Ooh, those are some, nice billboards you have there. Oh, yes, they are. You should, like and watch and subscribe the Friendicorns. Oh, okay, that sounds lovely. Anyways, here's your juice. Thank you. I'll just have to sit down and enjoy this for a bit. Woo. Oh, wait. I forgot to pay you. A $5 bill. Oh, no problem. You can have a pow. A 20. Because that's all I got in my purse. Besides the $100. No $100? Well, a 20 works. Anyways, I'll be off with my smoothie. Thank you.
Oh, wow! Oh, that hurt. Hey, Donuttina.
Are you okay? And why aren't you at your ice cream truck?
Well, it's my exercise day, and if I work at an ice cream truck, I'm just gonna eat ice cream and smell ice cream. Nothing but ice cream!
Well, I can certainly understand that.
Yep.
Anyways, what can I get you?
Strawberry smoothie, please.
Oh, okay. Yeah, sure. Here you go.
Oh, thank you so much.
No problem.
Oh, wait, I always keep money in my shoe on my jog. This shoe is so stubborn. Oh, there's my money. Just in my shoe. Here you go.
Oh, thank you. I'll just, take that.
And I'll take my shoe. And, oh, yeah, the smoothie. Thanks. Bye.
No problem.
Ow! Still gonna drink it.
Considering that, my juice truck is in my neighborhood, I'm doing pretty well today. Oh, hello. I just came to order something for, me and Daisy Petals. And, so anyways, I would like a lactose-free, milkshake. Strawberry, please. Okay. And, for Daisy Petals, which, is not here, she would like a coconut milk with a...
Can I have a cute straw, please?
Oh, yes, and a cute straw. Oh, she's just over there in case you didn't know. Oh, okay, that makes a lot more sense anyways. I'll go ahead and get that for you. Here's your lactose-free strawberry milkshake and your coconut milkshake. Thank you. I'll enjoy that.
Does it have a cute straw?
Yes!
Oh, okay, just making sure.
This is certainly delicious.
Now we can enjoy our picnics with drinks.
Okay, anyways, hold on. Here's you some money. Thank you. Anyways, I'll be on my way. Here's your lovely coconut drink.
Thank you. You know, I was dying of thirst. Thanks.
Now we can enjoy some lovely smoothies. I'm gonna go home because I have had a successful day. Hi, what can I get you?
Tropical pineapple smoothie, please.
Okay, one tropical pineapple smoothie coming right up.
Yummy. Nom nom.
Here you go.
Oh, here's your money.
Oh,
Go ahead, take it. Just take it. Just take it. On. Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
Nom nom. Nom nom. Nom nom.